Welcome back to Luxurious Car Info, where we bring you the finest automobiles that define ultimate class, luxury, and performance. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2026 Mansory Mercedes V-Class Maybach Edition, a masterpiece that takes the already premium Mercedes V-Class and transforms it into a rolling palace on wheels. Mansory has always been known for pushing the boundaries of design and craftsmanship, and with this V-Class Maybach Edition, they've redefined what luxury vans can truly offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mansory Mercedes V-Class Maybach Edition is a true head-turner. The front fascia is completely redesigned with Mansory's signature carbon fiber detailing, an aggressive yet elegant bumper design, and a bold chrome-accented Maybach grille that instantly demands attention. The LED headlamps have been reshaped for a sharper and more futuristic look, giving the vehicle a commanding road presence. From the side, the van looks nothing short of majestic. The body is extended with sleek aerodynamic lines, larger air intakes, and exclusive Mansory alloy wheels that can go up to 22 inches, giving it both sophistication and sportiness. Every angle of the exterior oozes exclusivity, and the dual-tone Maybach-inspired paintwork elevates the design to a whole new level of grandeur. At the rear, the LED taillights have been customized for a more premium signature, and the carbon fiber diffuser paired with the integrated exhaust tips adds a sporty flair to what is otherwise a luxury cruiser. This is not just a van, it's a status symbol on wheels. When it comes to performance, Mansory hasn't compromised. The 2026 Mercedes V-Class Maybach Edition comes with a powerful V6 and optional V8 configuration that has been fine-tuned for smoother acceleration and more dynamic driving. With Mansory's performance upgrades, the horsepower output climbs significantly compared to the standard V-Class, allowing this luxury van to accelerate with authority despite its size. The refined suspension setup ensures a perfect balance between comfort and agility. Whether you're cruising on the highway or maneuvering through city streets, the ride feels effortlessly smooth, absorbing bumps with ease while still delivering precise handling. Thanks to the enhanced braking system and improved aerodynamics, the van feels more stable and controlled even at higher speeds. It's clear that this isn't just about luxury. Mansory has ensured the performance matches the bold aesthetics. Now stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Mansory Mercedes V-Class Maybach Edition is where the true magic happens. The cabin is transformed into a private lounge, designed for those who value comfort and exclusivity above everything else. Premium Nappa leather, Alcantara, and handcrafted carbon fiber trims wrap around every surface, showcasing Mansory's world-class craftsmanship. The ambient lighting system can be customized to match your mood, and the reclining Maybach-inspired captain chairs come with massage, ventilation, and heating functions. A starry headliner adds a sense of grandeur, while the advanced infotainment system with large touch displays keeps passengers connected and entertained on every journey. The cabin is also acoustically insulated, ensuring that outside noise is minimized, giving you the experience of traveling in your own personal sanctuary. Even the floor mats and stitching are bespoke, tailored to the client's preferences, which makes each Mansory V-Class Maybach Edition unique in its own right. In short, the 2026 Mansory Mercedes V-Class Maybach Edition is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It combines the spacious practicality of a luxury van with the elite opulence of a Maybach, and the signature boldness of Mansory. Design. From the stunning exterior presence to the upgraded performance and the ultimate comfort of the interior, this is a vehicle crafted for those who demand nothing but the best. Whether used as a chauffeur-driven executive lounge or as a personal luxury family cruiser, the V-Class Maybach Edition stands in a class of its own, redefining what a luxury MPV can be in 2026. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Mansory Mercedes V-Class Maybach Edition, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Luxurious Car Info for more exclusive insights into the world of luxury automobiles.